Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the legacy of Gann Indicator for MT4. This collection of tools based on William Delbert Gann's theories combines geometry, mathematics and time cycles to project support and resistance levels with components that blend geometric principles with technical analysis. In this video, you will see how the legacy of Gann's indicator works, what components are included and which trading strategies are described. William Delbert Gann, born in 1878, was a trader and analyst who developed a reputation for forecasting financial markets with uncanny precision based on the belief that markets were governed by natural laws, emphasizing the relationship between price and time, asserting that equilibrium between the two often marked key points in market movements. The Gann indicator MT4 is not a single tool, like I previously said, but rather a collection of indicators based on Gann's theories, attempting to project support and resistance levels, identify potential reversal points, and highlight geometric relationships between price and time. On the chart, Gann angles are drawn from significant highs or lows, with the most famous 1x1 angle representing 1 unit of price for 1 unit of time, creating balance, while other angles like 2x1 or 1x2 represent different slopes for predicting support and resistance as the market moves forward in time. Gann Grids create network of lines acting as potential zones of support or resistance, helping traders visualize how price interacts with key geometric levels, while Gann Fans display sets of diagonal lines at specific angles like 45 degrees, 26.25 degrees, and 63.75 degrees, creating frameworks for interpreting market direction and strength. Gann squares, including square of 9, square of 144, and square of 90, help traders forecast future support and resistance and turning points, with MT4 versions allowing traders to align price levels with time cycles visually. As for the settings, let's take a look at what we have. We have variables for entry signal settings, message settings, you can set alerts, triangle settings, and interface settings as well. You can also customize a preferred color and trade on a preferred time frame as well. As for what the indicator is for, the legacy of Gann indicator is suitable for geometric traders who believe markets follow natural order and rhythm rather than being purely random. Multi-time frame analysts applying tools from intraday to long-term charts across stocks, forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, and strategic thinkers who want proactive approaches to where markets might move next rather than reactive signals. However, many traders struggle with complexity and subjectivity involved in drawing angles, grids, or squares, where small differences in starting points lead to vastly different results, and it often requires experience and intuition, difficult for beginners, unlike simple indicators generating clear signals, and demands deeper analysis and judgment rather than automated buy and sell signals. You can download the Legacy of Gann Indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how William Delbert Gann's legacy continues influencing modern trading through geometric tools, emphasizing price-time relationships and cyclical market behavior. If you like geometric analysis tools based on natural market principles, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 tutorials.